I mean, hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, and if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for coming back to my video today. In today's video, we're going to be using this beautiful hair from LUVMEHAIR, and this hair is so soft. It is so beautiful. This hair is a straight wig from LUVMEHAIR, and it's 18 inches. It gets all the way down to my bra or just a bit below, and it is so soft, so silky, so I love this hair so much. It was so easy to install as well. First off, I love this packaging. It is so beautiful, so luxurious. Like, I'm going to definitely be storing my wig in this, and you're going to see me unbox all the goodies that came with this wig in the video. If you like to try out this wig for yourself, the link to it will be in the description box. Please check it out if you like to. And if you want to see how I achieved this like slick back hair look, I used a mix of got2b glue and regular glue. So if you like to see that, please keep on watching as well. Thank you to LUVMEHAIR for sponsoring this video, and without further much talking, let's get into this install. So this is a box of the wig, and the box is so beautiful. Purple is so beautiful. Like, it is so luxurious, as in, wow. When you open it, you start to see everything that you have in the wig. Like, this is what's going to come with the wig. You have 2 lashes, really pretty lashes. You have a pamphlet that tells you the do's and don'ts on how to care for the wig. You also have a scrunchie. A part of me wanted the scrunchie to be purple. You also have something. You also have something for press-on nails. Pretty earrings. You have a black comb, and you have an edge brush. That's all you get when you order your wig from LUVMEHAIR.
I write to you in poetry with words left on the shelf, full of dust. You'll know it's me and from nobody else. Grab your seat at the fantasy parade. What I see is all inside my head. I come to you and hopefully I can contain myself. Pulsing blood that flows through me and wants nobody else. See through me and all of my charades. I am not any less afraid.
So now that I've shown you the wig, we're going to go ahead and style it. And I already straightened her yesterday. I don't know if you're seeing it. I love the texture on this wig. It's not super like flat, and I didn't put any products in this hair. Let me know what like serums or stuff you would recommend for hair that wouldn't weigh the hair down, like something that can help with straightening the hair or curling the hair. So right now I'm just going to put this on my head. I really want to try and use glue, only because I just want to see. Like, I've not used glue. I've been scared of glue for a while, so I'm going to try to use glue today, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm using the wig cap that came with the wig. Look at how pretty that hairline is after I've styled the hair. And this is with no bleaching or plucking. This is after I have styled the hair. and made it look sleek. The same process I always do with hair wax and my hot comb. So I've gone ahead to apply that Tantor still in medium to tint my lace, just to make it more natural on my head. And this is what it's looking like. Just going to go ahead and place that. And then another thing to note is that this wig, the way the adjustable strap is, it is so snug, like, and very comfortable, very tight. I've not very thick. I've not seen a wig company. It's like, I'll still put concealer here so you won't see that my wig cap like pushed back. It's a very easy way for you to just not do a bald cap method. You know, my hair is always very unruly. I'll have to slick this back with gel. My front hair, you can kind of even see it through the wig. That's how smooth this hairline is, and it's properly plucked. Like, I didn't do anything to it at all, and it looks so good like that. It came like this too from the pack. I just really straightened this hair, that's all I did. So what I'm noticing is the frontal is actually just a bit too small for my head. You know that when you're trying to pull it, and you can see how this side is all the way high up here. Let me see what will happen if I take out the adjustable strap. Me put on the wig, and I'm marking out the line with white where the glue is going to be behind. So the wig, even though you can see there's a cut here, I did a slight cut here just to kind of make it fit my head, and it's not fitting my head. So this is not my size. Make sure you order your size in case you want to order, because I really want to play with glue today. So I'll glue it all the way to like here, and then we'll go from there, because if I keep pulling this lace more, it will not really cover. It needs to come here, but it's going backwards. The lace itself is ear to ear, but I think it's the way the hairline, the frontal is constructed. So let's go ahead.
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he's got such power over me, but I try to act cool about it. But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I fall for his eyes when he's staring into mine. Know he's bad for me. So what's standing in our way? And he's out of my league. I feel insecure, but I hope this is real, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure.
thank God to be glue for the rest of the hair that is basically laying on my head, because I don't want to have to pull out my actual hair. You can see even this point, because of how clear that lace is, you can't really tell. You can see at this point, because of how clear that lace is, you can't really tell where the lace is stopping or starting. Plus, I'll advise you, if you have this kind of issue, make sure that your hair is clean. Like, this way it's safe for my hair, and it will still give me the very like it will still give me the very flat look. I'm being very careful doing this in sections. I'm using this band to tie my head on top of the other black one, because I'm trying to use blow dry on heat to melt down this wig even more, and this is just to protect me from getting burnt by the heat from the blow dryer. Not a lot of this concealer, but just enough to make the pattern look neater. And then I don't know, this point seems like it's over plucked for some reason. I don't know why. Well, you already saw me use mascara. This one is from Nuban Beauty. Just going to brush it to kind of knitting out the part. This hair is so beautiful, so beautiful. Okay, let me show you. Where's my wipes? This is what the hair looks like on my back, and you can see how like it's very flowy. This is what stresses me out about glue. This thing that it does. I'll go ahead and fix it up, I'll be right back.
Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light. I never wanna fall away or lose my sight. Am I hanging on too tight? For me, it's just the thought of you that sets it right. Baby, you're my light.
So my loves, this is how the hair looks. It is so sleek. I love it so much. I'm going to go ahead and get this beautiful face of my glam, and I'll be right back. My loves, that completes the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this hair install. I had so much fun filming it, and the hair is so soft. Like, I had fun filming this video. I can't stop touching it. I can't stop looking at myself in all my mirrors. I look so pretty, and I love this hair from Love Me Hair. If you like to purchase this exact wig, they have longer length on their website, so please click the link in my description to check out this hair and see if you like it or like to get it for yourself. They're currently such a beautiful hair. I'm sure you can curl it if you want, or you can like leave it straight like this, and it is so sleek. There's no products in this hair. I didn't use any product to straighten it, and look at how nice it's looking. The hairline as well, very, very, you know, pre-plucked. I didn't do nothing to this wig, straight from the box. I didn't pluck, I didn't bleach, I didn't do anything. This is how it came. This is how it came. Remember, like we didn't do anything through this video. So I really feel like if you want to try it out, definitely try it out, because it's so worth it. Like, the hair is so amazing, honestly. So yeah, thank you to Love Me Hair once again for sponsoring this video. I'm going to see all you amazing butterflies. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle, by the way, because I've not done like a sleek all back, you know, center part look before. No baby hairs, nothing, because this wig is giving. So let me know if you like the look, if you like this look I did, or what you'd have done differently. Let's just chat in the comments, okay? I'm going to see all you amazing butterflies in my next video. Bye. Mwah.